What's up, guys? Welcome back. Golden Freddy. So is it dead, Golden Freddy? It's kind of like when he's on the ground, kind of a husk, not animated. So like no soul in it or something. Yeah, he's kind of like holding a mic. Let's try. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, going to start with his nose. Like his head is like leaning to the side. So his nose kind of goes this way. Look around like that. So that'll give you an idea of the tilt of his head. So the middle of his snout then comes down that way. And then we curve it around. For one side, then we do the other. Can I ask why he's called Golden Freddy? I should have probably searched this. I guess he kind of looks gold. And then freckles. Sort of those bare whisker marks. Same black eyes. 1, 2. And color black. And sometimes I've seen like a glowing ghost eye sort of in there. Is that a thing? You could do that if you wanted, but I'll just go black because I think that's the most common. I might give him 1. We'll see. Eyebrows, just above, square, going that way, square end, back to the front. So then his kind of face shape, right? So he's got these big cheeks. Kind of bump out here. Kind of different both sides. We'll go around. And then his head. Comes up. And you meet like his hat here, so it kind of gets a bit flatter. So it kind of like just cuts across the hat area. And then we get his start of the hat, so the rim of it first. And then this goes up. How high up does it go? No, it's a bit short, so we'll just go across here. Just a black hat. And then his ears, so just round, sort of bare ears, like a teddy bear. And it has a different color on the inside, so you just go around again. And it kind of connects into his head there somewhere. Same on this side, go again. And then in here we have a different sort of color. And then it connects into his head. Right, so mouth sort of dangling open, he's like, oh. So down either side and around. And then the inside of his sort of jaw, right? Well, we'll do the teeth up here first. So we'll give him like 4 teeth. Just you can barely see the teeth up here. We'll just do 4 maybe. And then the inside of his jaw here. Comes around there. And then we get more teeth. There's more visible down here actually. They're just kind of boxes up this side then. It's all flattened there, so you can't make out anything in terms of tongue or anything. There's no tongue really. Okay, so his body slumped. So I guess the bow tie sort of might be the easiest thing to start. So he's got like a bow tie right here. And then it kind of comes out, kind of like a bone, you know, like a cartoon dog's bone. And then curved line there for his shoulder. And then there's another sort of shoulder pad up here as well. And then we can see like his big body coming down. That way. And then, okay, so, oops, sorry. Okay, so we can see like the top of his leg, so it's like curved here. 2 of them. This is like his kneecap, so then you have like different sections for like his knee and his shin and everything, right? So this is like his shin area. All these round sort of cylinders for his legs, right? So they have all these curved lines on them. And he's got like a pale belly in here. It's all dark in there. But before we do feet and hands, I'll just get his arms in. So like another cylinder sort of shape. And then this one. Like his arms are made up of a series of these. And then he's got like some ball bearings and things that connect everything. So like another little pipe or something that connects to his hand there. And then on this side. This one's slightly different because his hand is got a mic in it. It doesn't make too much of a difference, I suppose, to the drawing. Okay, hands and feet. So I'll deal with the feet first. Maybe they're the easiest. So it's kind of like bumping around the top. And then each of these will be a toe. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, around. Right, so then, like each of these is a toe. So we go, just add some toes. And there's like an edge, a rim to it as well. You just go around each bump, kind of like that. Then we can see his backside. He's kind of sitting down. Might see a bit of it over there actually. It's all just shadow in there. So his belly must disappear at a certain point. So there's like darkness in there. There's like a shadow in here somewhere. Right, and then the hand without the mic. So we'll just do a thumb. Simple enough, very cartoon-like. Fingers and everything. I think he's got like a bare palm of his hand there. And over here, so we can see a bit more of it because of the way the mic is. 3 fingers curved around, like so. And then I think he does have like a paler patch just there. And then the mic is like just sticking out of his hand. Alrighty though, Golden Freddy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.